What do you mean drift?
Oh, wait, that's, whoa, stop, Joe! I need some shades, man. Yo! Oh, sorry, I'm gonna turn this AC down. It's gonna get hot in here. Joe is behind us, driving really slow. Joe's behind us in the vet. We're gonna go to my house and pick up my Corvette. That's right, I bought a Corvette. Note the mustache. I feel like you gotta have a mustache if you're gonna drive a Corvette. I also get some new shirts. But that being said, we're gonna go pick up my vet. We're gonna go to the lot. And I'm gonna try and teach Joe how to drift his Corvette. His Corvette is an automatic, but he should be able to swing the thing around pretty good. 83 years old, drifting a Corvette. Imagine if he got really good at this. It would be so fucking awesome. What's your predictions, Jake? What do you think? How do you think this is gonna turn out? I also told Joe he couldn't smoke any grass until we got done with this, which he wasn't real happy about that. But
I was wondering why Joe wasn't doing that this morning.
I know. I wanted Joe in his A game. I want him to be good at this. And we lost him already. I want Joe to be good at this. I think it would be fucking awesome to go drifting with Joe. Joe is probably the most active 83-year-old I know, and like still quick as fuck. But how good are your reaction times at 83? There he is. It's Billy Boats. He's gonna be so stoked to hear them things ripping. We'll probably straight up lose Joe too. One time Joe was following us to lunch, and we lost him, so we pulled over in a parking lot, and we were parked at in the entrance of the parking lot, right? Watched him pull up, and he pulled into the parking lot at the other parking entrance, and we're waving at him, and then he just pulls out and goes left. He never even saw us in the parking lot. We're like, oh, f***. So we lost Joe for like 45 minutes going to lunch one day. Love the guy.
Are you ready, Joe?
I'm ready for any thing.
I love that sound. There's something about a rumbling V8 that makes me smile so much.
I hop out the car, leave the motor running. Why you always talk like you know?
I gotta stop and get some gas and something to drink, so we'll just stop at the Four Sons right here.
I'll follow you. It'd be better if you got it registered and got it legal, but that's coming, I guess.
All in the club, we don't do no clubbing. Throw a 10 on the 90, I keep it so on it. Orange label, I might pop it too.
Looks good. This is the Drifters Corvette Club of Phoenix. We're on our way to the lot. God knows what the hell he's gonna have us doing. But we're gonna be drifting. And I'm gonna be, I just don't wanna burn up these tires. But I'll drift the fucking thing, I don't care. You wanna drift, Ryan? We'll drift. I'd like to race in this, but I'd like to. See what I brought with me? But after the drifting, I waved this out the window. And I tell them, I won! I'll tell you.
I do my own stunt. Could take a year, I'll still have that paper coming. Put like 10 on the 90, I keep it so on it. All in the club, we don't do no clubbing. Throw like 10 on the 90, I keep it so on it.
You want me to light it up around here?
Park it with mine somewhere and we can do an intro video and shit right here. Then I'm gonna take you for a ride in old red here. Little event today. Today, I got Smokin Joe with me. You guys been asking where he's at. He's back.
I'm here.
I'm gonna try and teach Joe how to drift his Corvette today. It's an automatic Corvette, but it is still doable. Just at least get him swinging out here in the parking lot. I think it would be dope. Joe is 83 years old. Swinging a Corvette would be pretty fucking awesome to see.
Well, you know what? I've been swinging shit like that all my life. I'm swinging the fucking car right now.
Joe's swinging it.
Yeah, I'm swinging.
First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take Joe for a ride in mine. I just bought a C5 Corvette. It's a 99 first gen. It's not a Z06, it's like a Z06 impersonator, but It does have heads, it's got a cam, it's got long tubes, all that jive. It made $475 to the tires. It's got a little bit of suspension in it and a whole lot of parts on the way because I went super crazy and bought a bunch of shit. Because I was gonna buy this other car for a certain amount of money and I ended up getting this one for a lot less money than that other car, and this is a better car, so I'm gonna take that money and put it into this one. But today, we're gonna go sideways with Joe. Just a little bit. My power steering pump just got pissed.
That was a good one, though. I got.
Yeah. Damn it.
You guys doing the silver one next?
Yeah, in a minute.
Hell yeah. Sweet. That's badass.
I think I just cooked my power steering pump, though. I guess we're driving Joe's car now.
Yep.
Well, Joe, you got a little taste. A little taste of a short amount of fun. Gotta love a project car.
Well, let's spin mine around a little bit.
Woo, got her. Alright, I'm gonna park this shitter in the shade, I guess. Alright, she's an auto. Let's get her in one. Get this shit out of here. See how she feels. First thing we're gonna do, Joe, little left foot. My left foot's on the brake.
Okay.
Get a little bit of brake pressure, and if you give it gas. Oh man, you got f***ing traction control still on. She ain't gonna slide. God damn it. Give me a sec, Jake. Yeah, she slides easy. You just gotta give her some gas, little gas, let her slide. You turn into it, let her slide, and just kind of let her float.
I'll do it.
The traction control won't shut off, so you gotta be basically moving to get her to slide, but we'll just get going in a slow turn and punch the gas and let her slide around.
Gotcha.
This thing slides a lot easier than mine does, actually. Once she's sliding, his tires feel a lot slicker. He's probably got a lot more air pressure in it than I do.
All right. Hold it. Let's do it.
All right.
Now, I'll give it a little gas, right?
Yeah, here, just
I mean, a little brake.
nope, no brake. The brake is not gonna work.
No.
Why you got the window up over here? Woo, God. All right, now let's just drive around in the circle. Just drive a little circle and put it in first. There we go. But don't try anything crazy yet. Just now, just give her a turn. Let's turn around real hard right now. Sharp turn and a little bit of gas. No brake, just gas. All right, let off. Okay, so when it starts to slide like that,
Yeah.
you want to give her a fucking good bit of juice her hard with the gas, let it slide, let off, and then a little gas, let her slide, let off, little gas.
Okay.
Try it now.
Well, let me go this way.
Turn, nail it. Whoa. Are you in first gear? You got to commit a little more to the throttle. You putting her to the floor?
No. Should
Okay. Yeah, on the first one, when you first hit it, put her to the floor.
I? Okay, you got it.
Nail it. Okay, let off. Okay, yes. Now once she starts to slide like that, you gotta let off and just let her slide. And then
Let
get back
off the
in
gas and let it slide.
Yeah, you kind of float the gas, like on off again with the gas, and you want to turn into the slide too. So go out here and hit it. Okay, there you go. Gas. No. Turn.
I think
Go
that's
out that way. Now
Okay.
hit it. Turn in. Let off. Gas. You're getting it to slide, and then you got to get back in the gas again. So flick it and gas it and get it to slide, and then let it slide, then a little bit of gas. Let it slide, that's what you get. All right, let off, gas. All right, that's, whoa, stop, Joe. Oh, Jesus Christ. Don't keep going when you don't have it under control. Just stop, will reset every time.
Woo! What do you mean drift?
First gear.
Got it, Joe.
Hey, Jack, lift up your ass for a minute. I fucking won!
All right,
Watch
get it out that way.
All right, now.
No, don't cut in. No, don't cut in this tight because you're gonna head for the
Okay.
fire hydrant. So
right,
get out on the outside of the corner. Just drive around the outside of the road.
Right here?
Yep. Get over to this big open area over here.
Okay. You let me know right here?
Yep. Now give her some fucking juice and flick to turn the wheel hard. All right, turn it and let off. Gas. Don't give it. So you're just letting off and jamming the brake. Just let off the gas a little bit and then give it some more gas. Let off the gas, give it some more gas. Try and keep that slide.
I ain't got that down.
Nope. Woo.
That's good.
You good?
I'm good.
If we could get the brake to work, then you could control it a lot easier. It would be able to slow the front end down. But the traction control won't.
I
turn
think
off
we'd
of
be
it.
good.
Are you giving up, really?
Well, no, but I don't want to burn up my fucking car neither.
No, you're not hurting it.
Well, you know what? Let me see. No,
Crank this thing in right here. Now give her some juice. Give her some gas. Nail it. There you go. Turn. Oh, stop. Oh, stop. You're getting too wild. You got to reset. Get back in a good open air. Stop. Wait, is that Joe pissing fluid right there?
Water.
Oh, beautiful.
all right. Look at the quail running around over there. I think I did enough today.
Yeah?
Well, I don't like these burning up my tires.
Oh, you're not gonna hurt him. You haven't really burned out yet.
Huh?
I mean, you gotta.
You want to do more?
Well, I'd like you to successfess get a drift going around.
All right, that's all right.
Here.
I ain't
Here.
giving up.
So hey, turn in right over here. Pull over just right here. Left. Keep going. Go forward. Straighten out. Go forward. Turn the wheel to the left all the way. Now let's give her some gas. There you go. There you go. Just keep on like that and give it more gas so it slides. And you got to get reset.
Can I go this way?
Yeah, but get reset up in the middle there. Give yourself lots of room. Kind of head over this way.
I got you.
Right here. Okay, now turn it hard. Nope. All right, hit the brakes. Let me have this thing. Let me give you a little quick demonstration.
All right. You know what? You do it. I want to watch the car. Good. I don't like doing that to my car.
It's that easy. Just do it like that.
It looked good, but that's enough.
Yours actually slides better than mine does. Mine grips up a bit more. Yours like, you just literally, you must be giving her no gas. If I just give it a little bit of whop and it just goes woof and just gets to spinning.
But you know what? Once it spins, then
Then you're turning into it. So if I'm turning this way, I'm turning into the drift and just kind of floating the gas and just whop, just keeping that slide going. Get the.
let me tell you what.
It's a real feel. It's just a lot of in the gravel.
You know that when you turned in front of my house the other day and whipped it around, I'm gonna practice that every day now.
Well, you can do that with the e-brake. I don't know how the e-brake works with the old automatic. Let me give it just a quick spin.
The Billy Burgers. I love that. Huh?
We're back at the shop. We just got back. It is brutal outside, super humid. My heart rate's finally gone down. I was telling Trent about the adventure with Joe. You know what I didn't really kind of put together is there's a large generational gap, and Joe comes from the generation of put it to the floor and go straight. And I come from the generation of everything was sideways. So it's just, you know, it's completely foreign to Joe to slide a car around. He's like, you know, you're fucking my tires up, you're doing this. I'm like, what? It doesn't really hurt him that bad, but when you come from that era of that just didn't exist, it seems pretty extreme, I would imagine. When, you know, if you're more like me or younger, you kind of come from when drifting's been huge since I was, you know, 20 years old. So it's different. It was different. It was an experience. In the passenger seat was an experience.
Whoa, stop, Joe!
Along for the ride. We almost got a tree and a fire hydrant all in one fell swoop at one time. But I think Joe did pretty good for never having that concept at all. And I think he handled it pretty well. He slid it around a few times. We had a good time. And I need a power steering pump now. It's KRUESI Originals. KRUESIOriginals.com. Stay posted, like, subscribe, because I'm going to build the shit out of that Corvette and all these motorcycles back here. And we're going to do a bunch more stunt riding and stuff that you're not supposed to do. But we do it. Thank you for watching. Peace.